So, health benefits of carrots, isa-isayin natin, kaibigan.
Number 1, they fight cancer.
Okay,
Wow.
siya po ay lumalaban sa cancer. So, hindi ibig sabihin pag may cancer ka na, anti-cancer siya. No. When you say anti-cancer, prevention of it. So, it is very, very good to take carrots, di daily, but madalas, para hindi ka tubuan ng cancer o mabuhayan ng cancer cells. Because carrots do have carotenes na pinag-aralan ng mahabang panahon, napakataas ng carotene contents nito na anti-cancer. Okay?
Beta-carotene.
Beta-carotene, yeah.
Whenever you steam them, boil them, eat them raw, cooked, blended, or fresh carrots are always good for fighting
The onset of cancer. Okay.
Carrots belong to a group of foods that have promising effect when it comes to cancer prevention, along with other vegetables that are rich in carotenoids, such as
Carotenoids.
spinach and tomatoes. Carrots could specifically help prevent breast cancer. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene that gets converted to vitamin A. In addition, carrots are rich in pectins too, pectins, which is quite good for your gut.
Ayan. Okay, so ibig sabihin po, mga kaibigan, yung carrots po, kung gagamitin ninyo, hilaw man yan o luto, kahit ito niluluto ang carrots, hindi ho nawawala yung kanyang beta-carotene na pag pumasok sa katawan natin, kino-convert para maging vitamin A.